Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan from ExtremeTerrain, and today I'm here with the BBK 62mm throttle body for your 91 to 03 Wrangler. This is going to be for someone who's looking for a little more power and throttle response out of your 4-liter, and it's going to be an upgrade over the stock throttle body, and you're going to get more out of it than just adding a spacer. For the same price as a stock throttle body, you can upgrade to this unit, and for just under $300, I honestly think this is one of the best options to go with. This is going to be an easy bolt-on that comes with brand new gaskets and hardware to install, and it's made in the USA. As far as install goes, I'm going to give this a 2 out of 3 wrenches, as you can install this in under 2 hours with simple hand tools. That being said, let's hop into the install. First step, we're going to remove our factory intake tube using a flathead screwdriver. There's a clamp around here. We're going to loosen that. Next, we're going to remove the PCV hose. This most likely is just going to wiggle right off. Next, we're going to remove these clamps, disconnecting the top section of our airbox to the bottom. Then we can remove the whole assembly. So we're just about ready to remove your throttle body, except we are going to have to disconnect a few connections. This is going to include the return spring, the throttle linkage, and then there's 3 plugs on this one. So we're going to push down on these locking tabs, unplug this. Next, we're going to remove our throttle linkage. That's just going to pry off to the side. And then our return spring, it's going to pry off frontward, and don't lose that. Now this is not going to be on your stock. This is for a hand throttle. So you probably won't have this on your Jeep. So we're going to go ahead and remove that as well. After everything's disconnected, you're going to use a 10mm socket to remove your 4 bolts. With all 4 bolts removed, you're ready to remove your throttle body. So we have our stock unit out. We're just about ready to install the new one. However, I just want to take a moment to cover some of the features that you're getting with this new one. Now, the stock throttle body is 55mm on the inside. This new one is going to be 62mm. Even though the stock throttle body is 55, the hole in your intake is actually 62mm. So this is going to give a smooth transition for airflow. Not only is it going to boost airflow, but BBK claims power increases of up to 12 horsepower with this. It's machined from rust-proof 356 aluminum alloy and is much stronger than the stock unit. Not only that, but it comes with double sealed bearings and O-ring throttle shafts for a longer life and smoother operation. BBK provides you with new gaskets, so we just need to switch over some of the electronics and then we can get this thing installed. So now we're ready to switch over our sensors. We're going to begin with the IAC motor. We're going to use a security bit that they provide in the kit to take these 4 screws out. So now that we have all 4 screws out, we're going to go ahead and pull this piece off. Now they give us a new gasket to install onto the new one. Next, we're going to switch over the map sensor. You're going to use a T25 Torx. Once you have that off, you're ready to switch it over to your new throttle body. So we're going to start by pressing that on.
So now that we have our throttle body assembled with all of our electronics, we're ready to install it. We're going to place our gasket down, throttle body, and then we're going to use the new bolts provided. We're going to tighten them up with a 5mm Allen key.
Then we can hook up our linkage. We'll start with our return spring. Snap that on, hook it onto our bracket. Then we can take our throttle cable, clip that on. And then we can plug in our connections.
After you have your throttle body tightened up and everything's connected, you can put your factory air intake back on.
Then we'll tighten our clamp up.
Reconnect our PCV. And then we can latch our air box down. So with everything put back together and tightened up, that wraps up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.